Hello children, welcome back, and today under decimals we are going to do exercise 3.1 question number 3. Find the products. Okay, so now if you see they have written here 34.67 into 41.2, but see the way they have put, only they have placed decimal number one below the other, but we do not need to do like this. We know now how to do the multiplication of decimals. First step is multiply without taking the decimals. So we will write 3467 into 412 as usual and do the multiplication. 2 sevens are 14, 2 sixes are 12 plus 1 13, 2 fours are 8 plus 1 9, 2 threes are 6. Then 1 sevens are 7, 1 sixes are 6, 1 fours are 4, 1 threes are 3. So 7 6 4 3. Then 2 zeros, 4 sevens are 28, 4 6 are 24 plus 2 26, 4 fours are 16 plus 2 18, 4 threes are 12 plus 1 13. Right? Now we will add this. 9 plus 1 10, 18, 24, 6 10 16 18, 8 plus 4 12. Now this is our final answer, right children? 1428 404. Now what is our next step? That we will count the number of decimals in the question. Now here we are having 2 decimals and here we are having 1 decimal. So in total the number of decimal places is 3. So from left to right 3 decimal places, 1 2 3, and our answer is 1428.404. Now the next sum is same, so I have not done it. You can do it on your own. Moving on to the question number 4, multiply the following. 0.67 into 12.09. Now if you see children, this is a 3-digit number and this is 4-digit number. And before point it is only 0. So what I told that if before point if there is a 0, you need not take that 0 into account. So now this is a 4-digit number and this is a 2-digit number. So we will always write 4-digit number, or whichever is greater, we will write that first, multiply by 67. So 7 nines are 63, 7 zeros are 0 plus 6 6, 7 twos are 14, 7 plus 1s are 7 plus 1 8, 6 nines are 54, 6 zeros are 0 plus 5 5, 6 twos are 12, 6 ones are 6 plus 1 7. So our answer is 81003. So now let us calculate the number of decimal places. Here the number of decimal places is 2. Here also the number of decimal places is 2. So totally how many decimal places children? 4. So from right to left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so your final answer is 8.1003. Let us move to the next sum. Now our next question is children, a box of cookies weighs 55.450 kg. How much will 12 such boxes weigh? That means they have given information of a box. A box means one box. So one box of cookies, the weight of that box is 55.450 kg. So if one box is this much kg, what will be the weight of 12 boxes? So here if you see the question more clearly, that information about one is given and more is asked. Whenever they have given you information about one and they have asked about more, so you should always do multiplication. Like if one pen is 10 rupees, then 2 pen is 20 rupees, 10 twos are 20. So one pen information is given and you have been asked to find pen cost of 2 pens. So when one information is given and they have asked for more, you will always multiply. So 55.450 into 12, and what have we learned in multiplication? That we will multiply without decimals first, right? So 55.450 into 12. 12 zeros are 0, 12 fives are 60, 12 fours are 48. 48 plus 6, 54. 12 fives are 60 plus 5, 65. 12 fives are 60 plus 6, 66. So our final answer is 6, 6, 5, 4, 0, 0. Now let us place the decimals. In the question, the decimal is 3 places. So from right to left, 1, 2, 3. Answer is, so after point there is a value for 4, but no need of the zeros, right? So your answer is the weight of 12 box of cookies is 665.4 kg. Okay children, so let us go to the next sum. So our next sum is, a sweet shop owner spends rupees 67 rupees 50 paise a day for milk. How much money he spends for milk in October if he purchases the same quantity every day? That means there is a sweet shop owner. He is spending this much a day. A day means one day. So amount of money spent a day on milk is 67 rupees 50 paisa. How much money he spends? So how much money will he be spending in October? So for that we should know how many numbers of days are there in October. In October we have 31 days. You can use the knuckle method and find out. So amount of money spent in 31 days. So because they have told October, I have taken 31 days. So now if you see here, one day information is given. That means in a day he is spending 67.50 and they have asked for more days. So 31 days how much? So this is a case of multiplication. So we will do 67.50 into 31. Right? So children, how will you do this multiplication? Now we have done so many sums, you know that we will multiply without the decimal number and get the answer. Right? So 209250 will be the answer for this. Okay? When you multiply 6750 with 31, you will get this answer. So how many decimals are there in this question? 2 decimals. So from right to left, so 1, 2, you will keep your decimal here. So he is spending, amount of money spent is rupees 2092.50. So this will be your final answer. Hope you understood the sums, children. So next class, in exercise 3.2, we will be learning division of decimals. See you. Bye.